CNLC outdoor double-sided side-mounted MIP LED billboards are designed for high-end outdoor advertising applications, bringing brands wider audience reach and stronger visual impact. Featuring a double-sided display design, it can display advertising content in two directions simultaneously, significantly improving advertising exposure and dissemination efficiency. Offering multiple pixel pitch options, P1.2, P1.5, P1.8, and equipped with advanced MIP display technology, the image is delicate, clear, and the colors are vibrant and realistic, providing viewers with an exceptional visual experience. With a brightness of up to 4,500 nits, the image remains clearly visible even under strong sunlight, ensuring efficient delivery of advertising information around the clock. The innovative glass-free design effectively eliminates reflection problems, improving viewing comfort. It also reduces heat buildup, combined with an efficient air cooling system for faster heat dissipation and more stable long-term operation. The entire unit uses a stainless steel support structure and an aluminum frame, combining lightweight design with excellent corrosion resistance. The cabinet is compatible with most fixed installations on the market. IP66 protection rating effectively resists rain, dust, and harsh weather corrosion, and is suitable for coastal environments such as seaside commercial areas, ports, coastal highways, and seaside shopping centers.